Hello, I'm going to compare Continue.dev versus GitHub versus Copilot versus Cline. Which AI coding tool is better? So Continue.dev, GitHub Copilot, and Cline are AI-powered coding assistants designed to speed up software development with real-time code suggestions, autocomplete, and context-aware assistance. Pros: Continue.dev open source, integrates with local models, and allows deep customization, ideal for privacy-focused or experimental setups. GitHub Copilot, best-in-class autocomplete and contextual suggestions, tightly integrated with VS Code and backed by OpenAI's Codex models. Cline, lightweight, command-line focused AI tool for terminal workflows, great for devs who prefer minimal keyboard-only environments. Cons: Continue.dev requires a manual setup and model configuration, which can be overwhelming for non-technical users. GitHub Copilot, subscription-based and raises concerns about code originality and licensing. Cline, very limited GUI and IDE integration, best suited only for command-line workflows. In conclusion, use Continue.dev if you want open source control and are comfortable configuring local AI models. Choose GitHub Copilot for the most polished plug-and-play AI coding experience. Go with Cline if you're a command-line power user seeking minimal distraction and fast suggestions.